In this video, I'll be showing you how to fix TikTok age restricted post problem. So first things first, let's go to TikTok, and I'm going to be showing you two ways how to fix this. So you need to navigate to your profile. Then from your profile, you need to click the three lines in the top right corner. Click on settings and privacy. Then you need to scroll all the way down until you find digital well-being. Now tap on digital well-being. Then what you need to look for from here is restricted mode. If restricted mode is turned on, you need to actually turn this off. Now let me enter the passcode. And TikTok will reload, and as you can see at the top, restricted mode has been turned off. Now that is step one, or the first method to fixing age restricted post problem on TikTok. The next issue, or the next step rather, would be to click on the three lines again, click on settings and privacy. Scroll all the way down until you find report a problem. Now click on report a problem. Give that a few seconds to load. And as you can see here, we have quite a few issues we could actually report. So you'd need to select account and profile. Then you need to click on profile page, scroll all the way down and select other and need more help. Alright, from this point on, you need to actually provide any documentation to prove your age to TikTok. So if you aren't comfortable doing this, what I'd recommend you to do is to create a fresh account with the above age limit to be able to view restricted content on TikTok. However, if you are comfortable enough, you could actually just type the issue which you're having here and send documentation to TikTok so they could verify your age. And this should fix the issue, but there is no guarantee as to how long TikTok would take to respond to this message. So I hope one of these issues actually fixed it. Disable the restricted mode or contact TikTok for assistance with the age restricted post problem. So if any one of these assisted you in fixing the issue, please be sure to leave a like on the video, comment down below which one worked for you. Thank you for watching. See you in the next one.